What day number is it? Day 2 in Malaysia. This is our new hotel. It's called the Summit Hotel. And we're gonna checking in right now. We haven't eaten yet, so we're gonna find something to eat after we check in, right babe? We're gonna eat here for the morning. Find a table first. It's like a buffet. Malaysian food. Quick tip in Malaysia, they don't really use AC a lot. Most of the restaurants are open, so it's mostly fans. Here's the food. There's eggs and salad, chicken, beef, a bunch of sauce and meats. Let's dig in. We just went to a different restaurant for the kids to try out because the other one was really spicy for them. This is a Thai restaurant on top of this big building.
Day 3.
Day 3.
Now we're going to KLCC.
KLCC.
First, we gotta visit your Nini.
Yeah, Nini.
Yep. Let's go. Bye bye.
We're here in another restaurant. Ay, tapos sa ibang gitu ya? Nenten Fana.
Mama, mango.
Mango, đưa đôi tại đá trên đây bạn.
Ôi da.
Không xích được luôn. So we've ordered some food. I got the Nandito Naya. Nandito. And Cubs got bangat apa ibang gitu ya? Taifan. And nanga juyo. Juyo. Yeah. At the never eating that. Now they get more hang
We got sweet tea.
No iced coffee. And Coca-Cola. We're here at the KL Tower, 421 Malaysia, right there. Oh, tôi cái dây này hơi gì đi hả yo? Cái dây kia đấy lồng rồi. Cái dây kia vậy. Here's the tower that we're gonna go to right there. It's super hot. Okay, tao lại. We'll provide chứ. Here we are at the top of the KL Tower. There it is. Ah, Nopsame.
Wow, you want to see Twin Tower? You want to see Twin Tower?
Yeah, you're there.
Oh my god.
At another restaurant. It's a Burmese restaurant inside like this mall. It's like a buffet. You get to order stuff. There's like eggs and curries. Like a buffet, you just order here. Here we are trying some Burmese food. I got some egg curry, chimongja, I don't know how to say that in English, some beef, cucumbers, some noodles, noodle salad. Here's 2 soups.
I'm not hungry.
David's not hungry, so he's not gonna eat. Hubby got some goat, I think, fried veggies. What is that, babe? Intestine? Some intestines. Here's Ari. We're here in the downtown KLCC, Malaysia. We're going to the train. Is it subway or train station?
Where's the train?
Train station? Yeah. We're going to the train station. Back to our hotel. We just ate some Burmese food. We're pretty full. We were gonna go to the Twin Towers, but we'll go there next time. We're pretty tired. The kids are tired. So yeah, we're just walking to the train station. I think it's like a 10-minute walk. The weather's pretty nice now, right? It's not too hot.
Yep.
Yeah, it's like, what time is it? 5 o'clock? 4 o'clock? 4 o'clock?
5.
It's 5 o'clock. Earlier it was really hot, but now like it's
Oh,
it's
it's night market.
Yeah. They're setting up like their night markets. There's like street vendors. Yeah, the weather's pretty nice now. It cooled down a little bit. Earlier it was so hot. I could barely like walk. It was so hot. But now it's pretty good. They have a lot of stores on the street. You can buy a lot of different stuff. They have like electronic devices. There's food, there's clothing. top of the train station. We bought our tickets. Babe, what did the tokens look like?
Huh?
Show them the ticket. So that's what it looks like. You just scan that. How much was one?
$4.20.
$4. Four ringgit. We're entering into the train. There's a lot of people. It's air conditioned. It's pretty nice.
Buffet area. Here it is. I'm gonna go eat some breakfast.
I can try it.
So here it is. It's a self-serve buffet style breakfast.
No.
As you can see, there's no hubby. He's still asleep.
Finish.
Are you full, Gabe?
No. Yeah.
Ariel, you full? Is it good? Is it good, baby?
Yeah, we
Say
finished
yes.
food.
Say yes.
We finished food, that's why.
Say yes.
We finished food, that's why it's gone, because we finished food.
Yeah. We're gonna go head back downstairs and then get ready to go to the pool.
Yeah.
We're heading back to our hotel room from breakfast. 11. Good job.
I'm smart.
Yeah, you are.
The food was a special deal, Mama.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. What one is it?
Shh, guys, your dad might still be sleeping. Quiet.
Yeah, I'm not.
Don't be loud. People are sleeping. Don't be loud.
This one or this one?
Is that our room? Can we change the room?
Yeah.
Okay.
Good morning, babe.
Good morning. It's the food, there's nobody.
Here it is, the view in the morning. There's a pool. Looks like there's nobody there yet. We're gonna go. Okay, guys, where are we going?
Huh?
Where are we going now?
Yeah, we're gonna go to food.
We're gonna go to the pool, right?
Yeah.
Yep, we're gonna go to the pool. It is 10 o'clock in the morning. It's our last night in this hotel. Tomorrow we're checking out.
Take off your shoes. Here it is, the pool. They have a big pool and they have a kids pool. We're gonna just swim in the kids pool. You got the buffet, right? You got a bunch of leaves, veggies.
I want to eat this, but
Pork.
I don't know what time they open.
We wanted to eat this one, but you've eaten this for the past 3 days. The same thing.
Every store is not the same.
Oh, okay. Yeah, so you settled for the buffet. Is it still good though? It's
Yeah.
good, right? Yeah, I got the kyu. Gabe is not hungry. He got apple juice. It's fresh apple juice. It tastes really good. What is the store called? The building? So people can know if they want to visit.
Sing Foxy. Good on.
So we have eaten and we've arrived at the Sunway Pyramid Mall again, but today at nighttime, we came at nighttime just to see the lights and the decorations. It's really pretty. That's the mall entrance, and then there's more stuff down there. So we're gonna walk that way, right? Okay. In the afternoon and we're just taking them out again. It's almost 9 o'clock.
You can touch it. Touch it.
Be careful. Gabe, be careful.
What's up?
There's a bunch of water here. And there's a Sunway sign in the middle.
Let me show you guys. So here it is. It's so beautiful. We just got dropped off by our Grab. It's like a taxi service and it takes us everywhere. It's so easy. You just download the app on your phone and put the directions. We've got some food from the mall and now we're entering our last night in the Summit Hotel. Thank you. Yep, so tomorrow morning we are leaving to a different hotel to check out by 12. Alright, that is the end of our vlog.